right, here we have what we're trying to find is the smallest recommended tolerance on a 1.5 inch shaft if it is to be turned on a lathe. We're going to use the tables in the inspections and standard fit section in your machinery's handbook. This can be done on either the 29th or 30th edition. The tables do match. So let's go ahead and look at this. We're going to look at tables 7, which relation among of the machining process to tolerance grades, and also the table 6, which is the ANSI standard tolerances. So first, let's take a look, and let's take a look at what it's asking. So we're looking for the smallest recommended tolerance. So that's the tightest tolerance that we can achieve when something is turned on a lathe that is 1.5 inches in diameter. So what we can do, since this is going to be on a lathe, we can come back to table 7 and we look down and we have this turning operation. So we're going to circle this, and if you notice, it aligns with what we have. Somebody suggested tolerance grades. This is the tolerance grade. So basically this turning operation can perform the least possible tolerance grade is a 7. It could perform an 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, but for the least, it's the 7. So we use that, and we use this number 7 here as tolerance grade. And we're going to move down to a standard fits grade. And we're going to circle this one. So those two are related. These two tables are related. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come back and take a look at, we need a 1.5 inch, and that falls in line around in between a 1.19 and a 1.97. So what we do is we use the table to come up with 1. Now what does that represent? That 1 represents 1/1000th of an inch. So in actuality, the least tolerance part that you can get that's 1.5 inches is 1/1000th of an inch tolerance. You can't get tighter than that on a standard lathe. You can go up to 0.002 inch or 2/1000ths, but for our case and purposes, it is only 1/1000th of an inch.